नए दौर में नया रंग भर दो, कोई अबला ना कहे ऐसा कुछ कर दो। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बालिका दिवस, इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ द गर्ल चाइल्ड, प्रतिवर्ष 11 अक्टूबर को मनाया जाता है। संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासभा ने 19 दिसंबर वर्ष 2011 को प्रस्ताव पारित करके 11 अक्टूबर को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बालिका दिवस के रूप में मनाने की घोषणा की थी। इस दिवस का उद्देश्य बालिकाओं के अधिकारों का संरक्षण और उनके समक्ष आने वाली चुनौतियों की पहचान करना है। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बालिका दिवस मनाने का मुख्य उद्देश्य बालिकाओं को जिन चुनौतियों का सामना करना पड़ता है उन्हें उजागर करना तथा उनकी ज़रूरतों को पहचानना। लड़कियों के साथ भेदभाव, हिंसा और उनके मानव अधिकारों का उल्लंघन अभी भी होता है। संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने उन चुनौतियों के बारे में जागरूकता बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत महसूस की जो हर दिन लाखों लड़कियां सामना करती हैं। दिसंबर 2011 में यूएन ने घोषणा की कि वे हर साल 11 अक्टूबर को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बालिका दिवस मनाएंगे। When girls are educated, their countries become stronger and more prosperous. The International Day of the Girl Child is celebrated on October 11 every year. The main objective of this day is to empower girls and help them to get their rights so that they can face the challenges all over the world and meet their needs. Girls play multiple roles in the household, society, and the economy. She plays different roles in her life. She could be a daughter, a wife, a sister, a friend, and so on. Girls face a lot of issues in the world such as malnutrition, illiteracy, sexual harassment, child abuse, low quality lifestyle, gender inequality, bride burning, dowry deaths, and so on. In the earlier times, the girls were considered as a burden because they would have to be married off so that the girl's father could be released from the burden of taking care of their daughter. On this occasion, I want to raise strongly some slogans for our empowerment. Firstly, eliminate all discrimination against girls in education, skills development, and training. Secondly, eliminate the economic exploitation of the child labor and protect young girls at work. Thirdly, eliminate discrimination against girls in health and nutrition. Campaigns are organized to spread awareness about violence against women and forced child marriage. We should actively participate in these campaigns by removing the male dominating nature of the society. And saving the girl child first needs parents to change their minds. They need to consider their kids same whether they are girls or boys. Girls need to get higher and quality education and empowered so that they can fight for their rights. They should learn from the great women leaders in India like Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, etc. Many girls like Sania Mirza, Geeta Fogart, Saina Nehwal had also won gold medals internationally and made the country proud. Today, girls are proving they are unscripted and unstoppable. They are special. On the occasion of International Day of the Girl Child, Let us all recognize the rights of girls and also the problems they face around the globe to give them a better life, a better future. And it is our duty to make them happy, to give them a good life. I want to conclude